Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can add items to your Amazon wish list from your iPad. So let's get started. This is going to be from your iPad. What we are gonna be doing first is just open up your Amazon application on your iPad, and then you will select the ones that you would like to add. In this case, I'm going to choose to add this one. This memory card, I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna go here and it says add to wish list. So I'm going to tap here and you are going to choose the wish list you want to add. I'm gonna choose Joyce wish list and there it is. It's just added. If you want to go and verify it, you just go and click on view wish list and here it is. Okay? I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching and see you the next time. Bye bye.